Basically, light at the end of the tunnel for the bulls as of now. A never give up attitude is where we are currently headed. Now that 18,159 levels are scaled, we are on a flight towards the north. I am your host and host Ashok. Subscribe to Exotic Investment for daily Nifty Pre Open updates. NSE Pre-Open for 30th December 2022 shows that increased confidence in bulls. Though Nifty was down 100 points in yesterday's session, we covered all above and backed up to 68 points higher. The bulls, no matter wherever we go, is showing a great up move. SGX Nifty is showing 59 points higher, which is greatly positive for Nifty Pre-Open markets. US markets were above 1% and S&P was up by 66 points. Nasdaq was up by 271 points at 2.5% higher. Dow Jones was up by 345 points. And Nikkei, the Japanese market, is up by 68%. Let's talk about the supports and the resistances, shall we? The Nifty is having support at 18,159, 18,050 and 18,000 levels. And the Nifty resistances are at 18,200, 18,269, 18,401. Now that the Andromedan curse of 18,159 is done, we are headed on the up towards the northern side. So where we actually headed, we are headed towards 18,411 levels. Since you have watched this video, you will probably want to know how to retire rich, and you can watch that right over here in this video. I'll see you in that video.